Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover your permanently deleted Google account or recover your permanently deleted Gmail account. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome. After that, choose and open your Google Chrome. So in this time, you can easily recover or restore your permanently deleted Google account or recover or restore your permanently deleted Gmail account. So let's see. So in this here, write and search how to recover your Google account or Gmail. You can see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. So open it. Scroll down. So in this you can choose and select recover a recently deleted Google account. Click here. Scroll down. So in this you can choose and select tips to complete account recovery steps. Click here. After that, choose and open account recovery page. Click on it. Account recovery, recover your Google account. After that, email or phone. So in this here, write your recover Google account or write your recover Gmail account. After that, choose and select next. Account deleted. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. After that, choose and select next. Click here. You can see enter your password. So in this here, write your recover Gmail account or recover Google account password. After that, choose and select next. After that, you can see change password or continue. So in this you can choose and select your need option. So in this way, you can easily recover your permanently deleted Google account or recover your permanently Gmail or email account.